Hey Health Nuts, welcome back to my channel. My name's Nicole and today we're doing a spring morning routine. The first day of spring I think was just last week, so I thought I would just get right into the spirit of spring because it still feels pretty cold outside. It's in the negative right now for in terms of temperature, but I'm wearing a skirt. You can't tell, but I am wearing a skirt, so I'm trying to embrace these spring vibes, and I'm just having my fingers crossed that summer is around the corner. And I thought it'd be really fun to kind of share with you guys another morning routine because I know you guys love these. And I'm really excited because today I am partnering up with Four Sigmatic, who are sponsoring today's video. I've worked with them before. I love their mushroom mix teas, and some of my favorites are the golden milk mushroom mix. They also have a delicious chai latte, which is really warm and soothing and delicious, perfect for like an afternoon treat. And then if you want just like a chill pill for bedtime, or just if you're feeling a little overwhelmed, you can try their Reishi. And these are my favorites because I don't drink coffee. I feel like everyone's always shocked when they hear me say that. So I usually drink like herbal tea, herbal coffee, but I really like that Four Sigmatic has really fun blends that also have like superpowers in them. So they all contain different medicinal mushrooms that are good for different things, whether it's energizing, calming, digestion. They have something for like basically everything, and they're just easy. It's an easy way to get these mushrooms into your routine. So I just like making lattes or drinks out of them, but I'm going to show you guys in today's video a really fun iced latte drink that is so delicious. So let's hop right in. I'll show you guys my morning routine for spring. Good morning. I'm so excited. It's finally spring and I can't wait to share with you guys the things I've been loving to do right now. Of course, first thing I do is I just chug a big glass of water. I keep it right beside my bed, and it's the first thing I do when I open my eyes, just to rehydrate my cells and my body from within. The next thing I do in the morning is I will meditate. So usually Matt will be in the shower doing his thing in the bathroom while I meditate in the bedroom. And this is just something that really helps set the tone for my day. I've been doing it for over a year now, and it has honestly changed my life. The type of meditation I do is called self-hypnosis, but really whatever meditation works for you is the best kind. And it's just, I listen to like a pre-recorded tape. Some people like to sit quiet or listen to music. I like some type of talking or guided meditation. So find something that works well for you and try to implement it into your life on a regular basis. When I wake up from it, I'll usually give myself a big stretch, pop my glasses on because I'm blind in the morning, and make my bed. And kind of the rule in our household is the last person that leaves the bed makes the bed. So since I usually do my meditation while Matt's like in the shower and stuff getting ready, I'll usually make the bed. But on some mornings, usually in the weekend when he sleeps in, he makes the bed. I threw on some yoga clothes and made my way over to our kitchen. So I'm gonna make myself some lemon water, which I've shown this many times before. I'm also gonna do my little lemon hack where I quarter my lemon to get more juice out of it when using my citrus squeezer. I'm just gonna squeeze out the juice from about half to 3/4 of a lemon. This was like a small lemon, and I'll just put that into a glass, fill it up with some filtered water, and I usually just drink it through a straw so I can protect my teeth. I have very sensitive teeth, and I just think that citrus right on your teeth is a little bit strong, so I'll drink it through a straw and then I'll rinse my mouth afterwards. So then I headed over to my yoga mat and I'm just sniffing some essential oils. I love just smelling or putting essential oils on my body in the morning. I think it's just really uplifting. I was using orange here, and it's just like the perfect scent for spring. So I'll usually diffuse it or just rub it in between my wrists like I did here and on the back of my neck. And usually I will actually go to the gym in the morning, but for the purpose of this video, I thought I would just do some yoga at home. I also just love to do some stretches if I don't feel like going out that day, or if it's too cold, or for whatever reason. I'll just roll out my mat and do some yoga right at home. I also love any type of stretching or twisting in the morning. I think it just really helps wake up your body and kind of gives you like a natural energizing boost. I've also just been trying to make it a habit to move my body every single day, especially because I work from home. I'm not commuting, so I think it's extra important for me to go to the gym or get out and move my body. After yoga, I just hopped into the shower, scrubbed off my body. I've been loving this natural sea sponge lately. It's biodegradable, and I think it's just way less waste than using those loofah ones that you have to throw out all the time. I didn't wash my hair on this day because if you know me, I only wash my hair like a couple times a week. Spritzing some rose water on my face, as well as some serums that I've just been obsessed with. I have some vitamin C and hyaluronic acid serum. I've been really enjoying my skincare routine lately, so I will be sure to link all the products I've been using down below for you guys to check out. And just like that, I'm dressed. I just threw on a denim skirt and just like a cotton t-shirt, throwing on some deodorant, and I'm gonna just do some light makeup. But while I do that, I'm gonna listen to a podcast. I love listening to podcasts while I'm getting ready. It just kind of helps me multitask in a way. I feel like I could just take my time because I feel like I'm also absorbing some information, something educational, inspirational. So I'm listening to this one by Mimi and Alex Icon. So I usually will start off with just some kind of BB or CC cream. I love this one. I've been using it for probably a year now. I will also link it down below. It just has sunscreen in it, so it's really good for the sunshine that's starting to peek out. It's moisturizing, and it also helps just kind of even out your skin tone. Throwing on some light powder, lightly filling my brows. I did get them hennaed recently, and it's a type of hair dye that I got done, and I find I barely have to do anything to them. And I'm just putting on some mascara. I'm keeping it really simple and light today. To be honest, on most days, I don't wear a lot of makeup, so when I do, I just like to keep it simple. Brushing my teeth. Now it's time for breakfast. So for breakfast, I'm gonna start by first boiling some water so I can make my golden milk iced latte. So as I mentioned, my 3 favorite blends from Four Sigmatic are the Reishi, chai latte, and golden latte mushroom mixes. Now that my water is boiled, I'm just gonna add the golden latte mushroom mix to a mug. I'm gonna fill that up with the hot water, give it a good mix, and I'm just making this first before I make the rest of my breakfast because I want it to cool slightly because I am gonna turn it into an iced drink. For breakfast, I'm having, you guessed it, avocado toast. So I have some multi-grain bread here I just toasted. I'm spreading on some vegan cream cheese. I'm not vegan, but I just really like this one, but regular cream cheese would work as well. I'm gonna mash on some nice ripe avocado. You know it's gonna be a good day when you open up your avocado and it's like perfectly ripe, which this one was, and I'm just gonna mash it right over top of the cream cheese, sprinkling on some nutritional yeast. I honestly add this to everything. Dried chili flakes. Even if you don't like spice, I find dried chili flakes aren't too spicy. I really like them on avocado toast. Some black pepper and sea salt. A very small drizzle of truffle oil because not only is it really strong, but it's also very expensive, so I just use a little bit. Now back to the golden milk iced latte. In a large mason jar, I'm gonna fill it up with some ice cubes. Add in the golden latte mushroom mix. I actually ended up blending it slightly just to make it extra frothy and creamy. And then I'm gonna top it off with some unsweetened oat milk or almond milk, whatever you like. Give it a stir, and honestly, this is so good. I just think it's the best summer drink, and you seriously need to try it. You can tell by the look on my face, it was in fact delicious. And now it's time to get into my office, enjoy my breakfast, do some work. We're actually doing a spring clean sale right now on the HealthNut shop. So I was just going over our new bundles, checking out everything, and starting my work day. So good. You guys need to make this drink. It's delicious. I'm sure you can make it with like any of the other mushroom blends that Four Sigmatic has. But if you guys want to try one of their mushroom teas, I have a coupon code, like I said. I'll have a link down below for 15% off. And they have a whole selection of different fun superpower mushroom teas that you can try. And also, if you guys like these routine videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on a future video of mine. I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday here on the HealthNut channel. So be sure to subscribe so you guys can see my next videos because, yeah, I post a lot. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.